Hello friends, now we will talk about comparator circuits. First of all, you should know the function performed by the comparator circuits. The comparator circuits are used to compare the two signals. One is unknown signal and second is called reference signal. So we compare unknown signal with a already known signal, which is called a reference signal. We will see one by one. There are two possible circuits of comparator circuit, that is inverting mode, and second we'll talk about non-inverting mode. So let us talk about first, that is inverting mode. So in inverting mode of operational amplifier, we have input applied to the inverting terminal of op-amp, and we have already a voltage connected at non-inverting terminal. That voltage is called reference voltage. R1 and R2 are nothing but current limiting resistances. This is the output voltage, right? So for ideal op-amp, biasing current is 0. So current in this resistance and current in this resistance, current actual drawn by the op-amp is 0. This is what we will be assuming, right? So now see it carefully. Case 1, when input voltage is less than reference voltage. When this voltage is less than this, please see carefully, what is the differential input to this? Differential input to this is Vd is equal to V in, that is, Vref minus V in, that is differential input, plus minus, right? So when differential input is positive, output voltage is positive. When differential input is negative, output voltage is negative. So when input, basically when Vd is positive, Vd will be positive when input voltage is less than Vref, right? So when input voltage is less than Vref, Vd is positive, so output voltage will be equal to plus Vsat. Why? Because differential input voltage is positive, this will be positive, so output will be plus Vsat. For ideal op-amp, open loop gain is infinity, so output voltage cannot be infinity. So whatever is the value of differential input voltage multiplied by infinite gain, so output will be saturated output. It cannot be infinite, it will be equal to supply voltage or saturated voltage, right? Case 2, when input voltage is greater than Vref, you please see, when this voltage becomes more than this, differential input becomes negative and output becomes negative, and that is equal to minus Vsat. Now see these cases carefully. I am taking this, when this positive terminal is connected as positive input of reference voltage, so we called positive reference voltage. So reference voltage is positive here, so reference voltage is positive here, so we will draw the output with respect to the reference voltage and input voltage. See it carefully. Now when input voltage is more than reference voltage, when input voltage is more than the reference voltage, output is minus Vsat. So output here will be minus Vsat, output here will be minus Vsat, where input voltage is more than reference, where input voltage is more than reference. When input voltage is less than reference, so that is this portion, complete portion of input. So in that case, output voltage is Vsat. So where input voltage is less than Vref, output voltage is what? Output voltage is nothing but plus Vref. So this is minus Vsat, output voltage is Vsat, not Vref, output voltage is Vsat. So this is your output voltage. That's it. This is the circuit which is nothing but in inverting mode, right? What is the inverting mode? When your input voltage is more, output voltage is negative, right? And inverting mode means we are connecting the input voltage at inverting terminal. Now another possibility is I have negative reference voltage, right? I have negative reference. So in case of negative reference, so this will be just changing my reference level, and accordingly I will be getting the output. So here this will be the point. When input voltage is more, this is the portion where output voltage will be negative. So output voltage will be negative in this part, and here please see it carefully, where output voltage, input voltage is less than reference, output voltage is plus Vsat. So the only thing is that this period will change, the duration will change, duration of pulses will change, positive and negative pulses. So by shifting reference voltage from positive negative, I am able to change the width of the positive and negative pulses. So width of the positive pulses has reduced, width of the negative pulses has increased, right, by changing your reference voltage from positive to negative. Now this was the case of what? This was the case of inverting mode. Let us see the second part, that is non-inverting mode. In non-inverting mode, we will be connecting input here, that is at non-inverting terminal, and inverting terminal will be connected to the reference voltage source, right? So here what will be the differential input? The differential input here will be nothing but V input minus V ref, right? Differential input is this terminal minus this terminal, means this voltage minus this voltage, because current here is 0, so drop across this will be 0, so differential input will be V minus V ref. Now case 1, when V in is less than V ref, I will say other way around, when input voltage is more than V ref, this will be positive, output will be positive. When input voltage is less than this will be negative, output will be negative, so this will be less. That's it, fine. So let us see the case. First of all, you should know whether your reference is positive or negative. You can see the circuit, you can see the given values. Input voltage is this positive terminal is connected here, so this is positive reference, right? So we are taking positive reference. So when input is more than reference, output is plus Vsat. So it means if you draw these references here, so when input is more than Vref, output is positive. When differential input is positive, output is positive, you can say. You please see it carefully again. So here it is positive. Where input voltage is more than reference, input voltage is more than reference, output is plus Vsat, right? And in remaining portion, when input voltage is less than plus Vsat, input voltage is less than Vref. When input is less than Vref, this is the portion, so output is minus Vsat. So during this period, output is minus Vsat. That's it. This is the output waveform for this circuit. Now, interestingly, what I do now, I change the reference to negative. Let us change the reference to negative voltage, right? So what will happen to the waveform at output of the circuit? So when you change the reference, so this is the period from here to here, input voltage is more than Vref, it is above, it is more, so output is plus Vsat. This is the portion where input voltage is less than Vref. Input, in that case, output will be minus Vsat for this duration, and this is the portion where input voltage is above, means more than Vref, so this will be your output. So what has happened? The width of the positive pulses has increased, width of the negative pulses has reduced when you change the reference voltage from plus Vref to minus Vref. So what are we doing? We are able to change the width of the positive and negative pulses by changing the reference level of the voltage, right? Reference voltage. Fine. So that is how we are able to compare the signal with certain references, because my output is indicating the point where my reference is changing. my input with respect to reference is increasing or decreasing or becoming more or less. Fine. There is special application of this circuit, that is zero crossing detector. Fine. In zero crossing detector, you please see, I connect this to the ground, take reference to 0 here. Now when reference is 0, so what we have done, we have made 0 voltage as the reference. So again we can have inverting and non-inverting mode. So this is what I have. So when input voltage is more than 0, differential voltage will be, so this is 0 now. This is 0 now. This is 0 now. So when input voltage is more than 0 volt, this differential input is 0. So output is plus Vsat. When input voltage is less than 0, differential input voltage will be 0. Output is minus Vsat. So during this half cycle, output is plus Vsat. During this half cycle, output is minus Vsat, and that is non-inverting mode of the zero crossing detector. Similarly, I can have input here. This can be connected to 0. In that case, it will be 0 minus V in differential input voltage. So this will be minus, this will be plus. So it will be just reverse. In which case? In case of inverting mode, it will be just reversed. That's it. This circuit, this is the special application of a comparator circuit, that is zero crossing detector. And that finishes your comparator circuits. In next video, we will see very important circuit, that is the regenerative comparator circuit, which is also called Schmitt trigger. But before that, we will see example based on zero crossing detector, or that is example based on a comparator circuit.